Today, we'll introduce 10 Lego building techniques. Every beginner can use them. Have you ever felt full of inspiration, but built a complete mess? Like boiling sheep's high failure rate when chasing pleasant goat. Haha, these techniques help me a lot. No matter your skill level, I believe you can definitely learn something. Alright, let's get started. As the wise man once said, 1,000-piece build starts with a single brick. This is the first little trick I learned. If you stack 5 plates horizontally, their length is equal to the width of 2 studs. This way, you can build a cube. The size of each cube is 2 times 2 studs, and the height is 5 plates. I personally often use this trick to make my Minecraft creations. After all, the game is very blocky, right? This technique is really practical. Next is the second technique. Place a plate or brick on the surface of the studs. Its height is equal to the height of a brick. This is very useful for building the floor of a house. For example, the house floor can use this instead of the hard-to-find tiles. Tiles are scarce and hard to buy, but bricks are plentiful. Use bricks. You can also add a level frame to the edges. It looks more refined. This is particularly stress-relieving. But don't step on it. You know how that feels. Legos can't just be built vertically. They can also be built horizontally. And the magic tool for horizontal building is this beautiful snow brick. That is, non-stud top bricks. Their sides are specially designed. They can support stud connections. This allows you to build 90-degree structures. Instantly opens the door to a world of creativity. Snow bricks are one of my favorite tools to use in building. It can be said that it's a must-have little tool during the building process. I've used this technique in almost every creation of mine. Another similar building tool is bracket bricks. They are similar to snow bricks, but they are not bricks. Rather, they are plates with small studs on them. But the difference between bracket bricks and snow bricks is that its surface is very thin. It's only half a plate thick. The bracket brick is a pinhole brick. It's different from the bracket brick. It has a reverse stud design. You can create a stud's worth of space with these bricks. I mentioned it before. The height of 5 plates equals 2 studs. Then the height of that stud is 2.5 plates. This is where the bracket brick comes in handy. It perfectly solves this problem. If you make a mistake and don't correct it, then that's a mistake. What if you don't want to build vertically or horizontally? You can choose to build at an angle. That's when vertical hinges come in handy. I often use them when building roofs. They can create any facade design. They can even act as the facade itself. And they use very few parts. Very economical. Using these hinges with plates will do the trick. Right. They didn't give me cheese sauce with my burrito yesterday. I'm so mad, okay? What script am I reading? If you don't want to use the methods I just mentioned for building Legos, there are these little gadgets that can meet your needs. These are horizontal hinges. They can be used to connect any 2 points. Even without these gadgets, you can also use bricks and plates to achieve it. Here are a few connection methods I've figured out myself. Try it out. I believe you can create some really cool things with them. Lego also has all sorts of strangely shaped parts, such as circular curves, triangles, and pasta-shaped ones. Just call them whatever. Here's how to connect them. For example, this macaroni brick aligns perfectly with this curved plate. And there are smaller macaroni bricks. They can also align with 2x circular bricks, or align with 4x4 circular plates. Similarly, there are various oddly shaped bricks. Their combinations are as follows. For example, slopes and inverted slopes. Arch bricks can also be used to make windows. This is a narrow window built with a layer of 4 arch bricks. And I really don't understand what design is used for this window. What was Lego thinking at the time? By the way, Lego has 2 types of Technic pins, grey and black. The black ones have a rougher surface. The black pins will be tighter after insertion. It's difficult to rotate. While the grey pins are super smooth. They can rotate easily after connection. So if you want the connected part to rotate freely, such as a wheel, then use grey pins. If you need parts that need to be moved manually, such as small doors, then use the black pins. Besides the SA brick, one of my favorite parts is the jumper plate. What's special about this plate is that its studs are located between 2 normal studs. If you need a slightly recessed design, like this window, I use jumper plates to fine-tune the normal design by half a stud. The effect is more layered. It looks a bit more unique this way, although the difference isn't big. But the design with jumper plates is, in my opinion, better choice. So, what did you learn in this video? Tell me in the comments section. Remember to follow. Like it if you like it. Thank you very much.